Factor factor affecting population. There are so many factors regarding population. One is the natality, mortality, sex ratio, age of marriage, immigration, etc. The first one is the natality. It is the birth rate, in which the new individuals are added and the population increases. Second one is the mortality, the rate of the rate where the individual dies or the killed naturally. Here the number decreases in an area. Maximum mortality rate occurs in eggs, larva, and seedling. In mortality, the population decreases. Here is the difference between the two, natality rate and mortality rate. It is the number of the birth rate per unit population per unit time, death rate. New individuals are added, new individuals dies out, increases population size and density, decreases the same population size and density. Immigration, it is a permanent movement of an individual out of the population. Suppose a species migrate from Jamshedpur to Delhi. So it is a permanent, if they settle permanently there, then it is known as the immigration. It is a simple example. But in immigration, the fourth one is the permanent movement of individual from the outside to the given population. So एक में क्या है, बाहर की तरफ इंडिविजुअल पॉपुलेशन से बाहर की तरफ चला जाता है, तो पॉपुलेशन का जो है एरिया है, पॉपुलेशन जो है वो डिक्रीज करेगा, द साइज ऑफ पॉपुलेशन डिक्रीज करेगा या स्पेसिस डिक्रीज करेगा. लेकिन दूसरा कंडीशन है कि एक पॉपुलेशन में, गिवन पॉपुलेशन में बाहर से स्पेसीज या इंडिविजुअल आकर के स्टे करेगा. दैट इज द इमिग्रेशन इंक्रीजेज द साइज ऑफ द लोकल पॉपुलेशन और इमिग्रेशन डिक्रीजेज द साइज ऑफ द लोकल पॉपुलेशन. द एज ऑफ मैरिज, द फीमेल मैरिज ड्यू टू द the age of marriage is due to the fertility. The female marry before the age of the 18, gives the more birth. Then the marry after the age of the 22 years. In India, the age of the marriage is 18 in case of the female, the age of marriage 21 in case of male. Sex ratio, there is a sex ratio and there is a data. There is a data which was collected in 1981 and the 17-1. The number of the female is less than the number of the male per 1,000. In Kerala, the sex ratio is highest in favor of female. Next one is the community. Community, it is defined as a total number of the species, different individual of a species present in a particular area at a given time. Here we can show with the help of the diagram. Suppose there are A, B, C, D, E, F, G. There are different species. They are present in a particular area, given area, at a given time. So there is slight difference between the population and the community. Population means there are only one type of the individuals are present. Community means different type of the individuals are present. Here the community may be intra-specific interaction and inter-specific interaction. The intra-specific interaction is of two types: cooperative interaction and the competitive. In cooperative, there is essential for reproduction, communities and perpetuation, peaceful existence of the number of species. But in competitive interaction, essential for survival. Cooperative interaction. here is the cooperation, आपस में cooperation होगा deep to for the sexual reproduction, the community, the parent care, etc., etc. Here is we can explain the cooperative interaction like the courtship, mating, nesting, parental care, animal society, and grouping formation, territory, breeding, communication, and altruism. Thank you.